Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Chrome language. So for you to be able to change your Chrome language, here is how you can get it done. First and foremost, make sure your Chrome has been launched. Then you should have something like this on your main tab or probably your recent tab open. So just click on this three-dot icon on your Chrome, then scroll down a little bit and click on settings. Then scroll down, then click on languages. So from here you can decide to change your language. You can see the default language right now is English, which is the United States default language. Right now, if I just want to change this, just click on this option which is add languages, and from here I can pick from any language of my choice. Depends on your country or your language. So you want Espanol, if you want English United Kingdom, if you want English South Africa, if you want English New Zealand, English Ireland, Indian, Canada, Australia, Netherlands. Depends on you. So just pick the language you're expecting for your current location, and that's it. Find this video helpful. Like and follow for more.